Alright, so that's a 80 sound there. See what it is. Is it going to pick it up? Move your knife out of the way. First, if it's pinpoint, turn mine on.
Yeah, it was
right there. So just dig around like you're learning there. Then, being that you know what it is, you don't have to dig too big. Maybe a 2-3 inch diameter hole. Not too far. It's going to be on the surface. You don't have to go far. Just pretend it's like a little circle right here. There you go. Over here a little more. Hinge it right here so it hinges, goes like that. There you go. A little more over here. Cut it right here. Right there. There you go. Now you can hinge it over. Gonna bend it over, and it's gonna probably be in here. See if your pinpointer will pick it up. Get it on. Is it picking it up on that? Is it picking up your knife? Your pinpointer, is it even on?
Yes, it is.
Is it? Oh, okay. Yours is quiet. Gosh. All right, let me try mine. Hey, Dad, you gotta cough up some bucks.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
It's right in there. Get your knife and start digging in there, and you'll find it. Could be trash, but it might be a dime, or it could be a penny. Some of the copper pennies ring up real high. So start shaving it off a little bit at a time. You remember, the faster you get the target, the more money you make, because you're digging more targets.
Yeah.
So don't be kind to it like it's your buddy.
Just destroy it.
Destroy it, but not so bad where you can't put it back in there. It's probably on the surface, because it was like a 1. Here, let's help you a little bit. So don't be afraid to dig it in there. And oh, there it is. I see it.
Huh.
What is it?
Penny.
Is it a dime?
No, it's a dime.
It's a dime. You get to keep that one.
That's what he said it was.
All right. You can almost buy a snow cone if it was 1960.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on the top right. Got my buddies here. We're learning new skills here.